But they did keep.
A gente vai fizeram vocês podem ir lá, você não pode.
It's like home.
Wow.
What do you mean you are doing all the work? You ungrateful outfits. I just about ready you.
You're in the correct line.
Thank
you. Hey, hi there. Nice to scan you. Long time no see. My optic circuits have been out, but they're back now, and I see everything.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
It's our cartoon. Where are we going? This is madness. Don't you dare make the tantalize me. I don't like the look of this. It just got worse.
Startorch, what are you doing here?
No idea.
Stay low. Use up their trash. Put your shields up. If they work.
This is no
Oh my god, we're so sideways.
Shoot! And you have this instant. Out of my business. The transmission. BB-8, what are you doing here? Mission? What mission? He says he has vital information to deliver and needs our help. Well, we're not going on any mission. It's bound to be dangerous. Arthur, we're not going. Good luck. Wait! Where are we going? Arthur, are you sure these are the right coordinates?
Oh, the boxes!
Program for this. Watch out!
Oh, the assets! Oh my god, so cool!
Do something!
You shouldn't have come.
I heartily concur.
Execute them.
We're leaving this instant. Otto, where are you going?
All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done, Otto. Now let's go.
Oh my god.
We'll be safe here on Otto. I hope. Yes, Otto. I believe this adventure is just beginning.
That was a cool segment.
What are you looking at? Go away!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.